Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sumit, and today I am here with my new video in Salesforce Flows. So before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. And if you really want to learn something new in Salesforce Flows, don't forget to watch this video till end. So topic for today video is that how do we visualize the Salesforce Flows using Visual Studio Code? So all of you are familiar with flows, and you might have seen my previous videos or earlier videos on flows where I've explained the various functionality of flows. And in order to in order to visualize the flows, what we used to do, we used to log in into Salesforce, and from there we used to visualize the flows. For example, let me show you that. That's my flow. I have created a sample flow here, and in this flow, what I have done in this flow, basically, this flow I have designed on a position object. And on that position object, it used to send reminders if the position is going to expire in next coming few days, or if the position is overdue by one day, it will so that another different process will run. And if none of the conditions will be true, then it won't perform any operation. It will simply navigate to the default outcome and ends. So this is the flow visualization. But if we would like to visualize this flow, if you would like to perform the flow visualization by using Visual Studio Code, how we are going to do that, that's what I'm going to discuss in today's session. I will be going to tell you now. So in order to do this, the very first step is what you have to do. You need to download the sales. We require basically Salesforce Flow Visualizer. We have to install this. So we have to install this Salesforce Flow Visualizer in our Visual Studio Code. This is the Salesforce Flow Visualizer VS Code extension. So what I have done in my case, I have already installed this extension. Let me show you how to do that. So for that, what you have to do, step number one, you need to go to extensions. And from extension, you need to install Salesforce Flow Visualizer. So you have to activate Salesforce Flow Visualizer. Yes. Salesforce Flow Visualizer. You need to install this. So in my case, I have already installed this extension in my Visual Studio Code. Okay. Step number one. Step number two, you need to connect to your org. So I have successfully connected to an org. As you can see, I have successfully, when I click on org browser, if you haven't connected yet, so it will ask you to connect, establish a connection between Visual Studio Code and your Salesforce org by using this org browser. So in my case, I have already done, and I have connected to the same Salesforce org where I configured this flow, this position flow. So the name is position flow. After that, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to retrieve all the flows. So once I have done this, I just click on retrieve all the flows, and you can see these are the list of flows I have. These are the list of flows I get, which I have configured in my org. So if you want to retrieve, if you want to open the XML file or the if you want to retrieve all the flows, you can do that. Or else, I just want to preview this position flow. This is the same flow which I just wanted to preview. So as you can see, here's an option called retrieve and open source. So in order to visualize this by using Flow Visualizer, as you can see, they have mentioned the steps also. It's a VS Code extension to create a visual representation of a Salesforce flow. It required flow meta.xml file, the XML file which is associated with your flow. And how to use this, they have mentioned the steps also, the extensions. So if you want to know more about this, you can go through this link. I'll share this link. I'll drop this link in the description below. You can check it out from there. After that, I'll get back to my Visual Studio Code, and I just wanted to preview this flow. I want to visualize this flow by using Visual Studio Code. So I click on retrieve and open source. So when I'm going to do this, what happened? It will open the XML file for me. It will open XML file. You can see position underscore flow dot flow hyphen meta dot XML file. This is the XML file. And because we have already activated the extension, we have already installed the extension, so we will be using that extension in order to visualize this. And in this flow, you can see that's the XML file which contains the detailed information about your flow, whatever actions you have configured, whatever rules you have configured. You can see formula rules or any elements you have configured. This contains everything. And now the next step is once this XML file will be opened that for that particular flow, click on manage, command palette, and here you have to select flow visualizer render. So if it is available for you, you can do that. Else you can type in and search and click on and just select that. And as soon as you click on this, you will see the Visual Studio Code. This with the help of this extension, with the help of this extension, it will render your flow in a view mode. You can see this is the visualization of the flow based on this XML file. See this region. And if you want to save this, we have an option to zoom out and zoom in, or else we can save as PNG. So we can download it on our desktop. We can download on our drive. Or we can take a screenshot in order to add this in a presentation or to present it in the front of the in the front with the clients. So that's the beauty of using this visual. That's the beauty of using this Salesforce Flow Visualizer. So this will help you to visualize the flow by using Visual Studio Code. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this. If that's so don't forget to press the bell icon in order to get the updates about the latest videos, upcoming videos as well. And you can post your comment in comment box. If any one of you will be looking for the training on Salesforce or other technologies, feel free to contact us on the given numbers, or you can drop your email, drop an email, or you can visit our website for more updates. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.